Welcome back to the channel. First of all, thank you so much for the incredible support on my previous vlog on what placement was like in an Imperial College hospital setting. If you haven't seen that already, I'll put the link in the description below. I've actually completed that placement and I'm currently just waiting for my next one to start, and in the meantime I'll be studying for my sports massage therapy course. If you want to get to know a bit more about that, then go check out my Instagram where I do post quite regularly. I'll also be investing a bit more time into making more videos for you guys and to grow this channel. And on that note, I know most of you have not subscribed to this channel yet, but that's absolutely fine. Give me one chance and I'll do my best to make sure that these videos are worth your time. For today's video, I brought a special guest with me, so without further ado, let's go meet her. So today's topic is to improve your posture, and the posture we're going to focus on is the hunchback posture, which is also known as kyphosis. The spine naturally curves in the neck, upper back and lower back, and what this does is to support the weight of the head. And with people with kyphosis, the natural arc is a bit larger than normal, so this puts a lot more weight and pressure onto the spine, causing shoulder pain, back pain, and neck pain. So the causes of this posture could be due to aging, muscle imbalance from strength training, increased sedentary lifestyles, and also increased technology use. I put my hands up, one of them, I'm guilty of that as well. In order to look better, feel more confident, and reduce the risk of injury, you have to strengthen the weak muscles at the back, such as trapezius or rhomboid. They're involved in pulling the chest more upright. You also have to loosen up the muscles that are overactive and tightened in the front, such as the pec major and minor, that are involved in pulling the shoulder forward. Current literature actually shows that thoracic stretching and strengthening and exercises for the neck and scapular posture were able to reduce kyphosis angle and increase the pain tolerance. Comment down below and let us know if you have this posture right now, whether you have experienced it in the past. So here's what we're going to do. Jenny, who is kind enough to volunteer to model for this video, will be demonstrating these rehab exercises as I talk through them in the voiceover. First up, we've got some Facepulls. Squeeze your shoulder blades together to pull the cable or resistant band in toward your forehead. Hold the position for 2 seconds. This primarily improves the strength of your rear delts, rhomboids, and shoulder external rotators. Keep your palms facing in as your elbows flare outward toward the sides. Reverse the movement and slowly extend your arms without allowing your shoulders or chest to roll forward. Don't go too fast. The slower you go, the more your muscles will be engaged. It's about quality over quantity. Next up, we've got some prone T's and Y's. Ideally, this should be done on an incline bench, but you can do this on the edge of your bed or on the floor. Position your arms at 45 degrees to create a Y shape or 90 degrees to create a T shape. Bring a straight arm to the level of your head, hold them at the top for 2 seconds. Make sure you don't arch your lower back, instead keep your chest in contact with the bench. Moving on, we've got stick and over back. This loosens up tight chest muscles as a result of poor posture that pulls the shoulders forward. In fact, this also makes you breathe better as it improves the efficiency of your accessory breathing muscles, pec minor. First, apply a wide grip and bring your stick, towel, or belt over your head and behind your back without bending your elbows. Avoid shrugging your shoulders, and over time, you can narrow your grip and go further down behind your back. If you want, you can use a marker to monitor your progress. And if you find this exercise too difficult, you can start with some static chest stretches against the wall. We are almost there, and next up we've got some wall slides. Stand with the heels, hip, upper back, shoulders, and full arms and hands against the wall. Reduce the arch of your lower back and slide the hands up and down, mimicking a full shoulder press movement pattern. This strengthens your mid and lower traps, and it improves the scapular and shoulder mechanics, improving the efficiency in overhead lifts and help reduce shoulder injuries and anterior shoulder crankiness. This does look quite easy, but it might surprise you. I myself struggle with it and I have to take a step forward while the rest of my body remains in contact with the wall to make it easier. Okay, last but definitely not least, we have got upper thoracic mobility with a foam roller. Put the roller under your upper back, keep your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Hold your head to release tension in the neck. Let your head fall to the floor, take a deep breath and try to wrap yourself around the foam roller, extending your thoracic spine over the roller. You then move the roller slightly lower down your back and repeat the same process. And if you don't own a foam roller, you can sit on your chair, extend your upper back over the back of your chair as you hold your head. Well, those are the exercises you can try at home. Frequency and consistency in performing them to the best of your ability is the most important in rehabbing your posture. Other than that, of course, you have to be mindful of your posture throughout the day. Try imagine someone pulling your body upright with a string. Let me know if you find this video useful and whether I should make more exercise videos for you guys. And as always, I really appreciate your time and I'll see you in the next one.